the authority that I recognize is no longer the authority of the Confucian exemplar of virtue. The authority becomes the written word. And I use that word to dispute with this natural authority that ought to be this person who shows to me virtuosity in behavior and gives me guidance. And now I'm going to instead rely on the word. This is going to destroy the whole system. I call this the interpretive argument because it relies on the idea that when you put things into language, especially into a public language form, it invites interpretive disagreement.